Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Mint Mobile has made a name for itself by offering incredibly affordable wireless plans. They achieve these low prices by operating primarily online, cutting out the costs associated with traditional brick-and-mortar stores. Instead of lavish retail spaces, Mint Mobile invests in a streamlined digital experience, passing the savings directly to the consumer. This direct-to-consumer approach allows them to offer a variety of plans tailored to different data needs, from modest usage to unlimited data options. Customers can choose a plan that perfectly aligns with their monthly data consumption, avoiding unnecessary expenses on data they won't use. This flexibility is a cornerstone of Mint Mobile's appeal, offering budget-conscious consumers a way to stay connected without breaking the bank. Furthermore, Mint Mobile operates on the T-Mobile network, providing extensive coverage across the United States. Leveraging this established network infrastructure ensures that Mint Mobile subscribers have access to a reliable and widespread signal. This reliance on a major carrier's infrastructure eliminates concerns about spotty coverage or dropped calls, offering peace of mind for users on the go. The company also simplifies the sign-up process, making it quick and easy to switch carriers. Their website is designed for user-friendliness, guiding customers through the plan selection and activation process seamlessly. This emphasis on a hassle-free experience further reinforces Mint Mobile's commitment to customer satisfaction and convenience. In conclusion, Mint Mobile provides a compelling alternative to traditional wireless carriers, offering competitive pricing, flexible data plans, and a reliable network. Their online-focused business model allows them to pass substantial savings to their customers, making them an attractive option for anyone looking to lower their monthly phone bill without sacrificing coverage or quality. For those seeking a budget-friendly, yet reliable wireless solution, exploring Mint Mobile's offerings is definitely worth considering. So, head over to minutTmobile.com to find the perfect plan for you.